How to adjust the fan wheel to avoid noises. Why does my range hood make these noises? The main cause of these noises: 1. Fan wheel make contact with the fan guard. 2. Fan wheel is out of shape and unbalanced. 3. This video is to teach you how to fix the fan wheel to function properly. Remove the baffle filter. Remove the 3 sets of screws and holding plate. Take off the fan guard. Release the screw on the motor shaft. Left and right fan wheel are opposite. When you take off the fan wheel, make sure to mark down which one is left and right. Make sure the motor is securely mounted. Line up the positional motor screw, then insert the fan wheel. Make sure to push the fan all the way in. Then tighten the screw to secure the fan. Balance the fan wheel by pressing on the higher side and pulling on the lower side. Repeat this step until fan wheel is balanced and running smoothly. Counterclockwise, press the wire net edge on the fan guard so that it won't touch the fan wheel. Plug in power, then turn on the fan to check if the fan wheel is balanced. After the fan wheel is balanced, unplug the power cord. Insert the fan guard and line up the oil drain to the hole. Insert the 3 sets of screws on the holding plate. Plug in the power cord to test. Insert the baffle filter.